Today, we're going to learn how to create rust removal AI videos. Let's get started. We're going to copy this prompt. You'll find the link in the description and pin comment. Then we'll send it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will suggest 10 ideas for creating the video, and we'll choose one and send the idea number to ChatGPT. Then it will create everything for us. Now, to create the video, we'll copy the image prompt. We'll go to the Google Flow website, click on New Project, then click here and choose Image 9:16 Nano Banana 2 x1. Then we'll paste the prompt and click Send. After the image finishes generating, we'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the Video 1 prompt. Then we'll return to Flow, click here and choose Video, Frames 9:16 OmniFlash 8 seconds x1. Then we'll click on the image, choose Animate, paste the prompt, and click Send. After the video is finished, we'll go to the last frame of this video and click Save Frame. Then we'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the Video 2 prompt. Then we'll return to Flow, click on the image, choose Animate, paste the prompt, and click Send. And that's it. We finished the tutorial. Goodbye.